goes like this. The summary of the chapter is: children are made to work and earn in different ways. Some of them help their family make a livelihood, earn money for them. Many run away from unhappy homes and they need to support themselves. They don't go to any school. Velu was an 11-year-old boy. He ran away from home because his father was addicted to drinking. This means that his father drank much. He was a drunk addict. He used to beat him and his sister and snatched whatever they earned. Snatched China. Whatever they earned, he used to take them. The Kanyakumari Express and Velu ran away from home. The Kanyakumari Express pulled in at Chennai station. Velu got down and sat on a bench. He had never before seen so many people with their luggage because he lived in a village. The noise was terrible. He was feeling tired and miserable and hungry. In his bundle, he carried a shirt, a towel, and a comb. He had neither money nor ticket. He tried to sleep on the floor. He heard the rough voice of a girl around his own age. The girl was carrying a big bag. She was picking up plastic cup and putting them into the sack. Sack means bori. थैला जैसे उसने she was carrying. Her name was Jaya. She sat down next to him. She said she could find some food for him to eat. She stood up to go. Velu had nowhere else to go because he had run away from home, so he didn't have any place to go. So he ran after her. After her means after the girl Jaya. The two got to the road. Smoke and dust made his head spin. The girl dragged him to the other side of the street. She took him onto a bridge. He peeped over the railing. The road under him ran to the city. Velu saw bare big buildings in the distance. Jaya warned him not to get caught, otherwise he would be in jail. His bare feet burned on the hot tar road as he walked. Feet means he was without slippers. They finally stopped in front of a big building. A marriage was going to be performed inside. Behind the hall was a garbage heap. The girl picked up a crushed banana and a vada, which Velu ate unwillingly. Unwillingly means he didn't want to, but he had to eat because he was very hungry. He felt better. She was going home to drop her full bag and get another one. She was a rag picker. She was trash and all. She was picking empty bottles and everything, and she was a rag picker. Jaya and Velu next came to a bridge across a dirty drain. They came to a row of huts built out of wood, plastic, and sheets. It was Jaya's village. She dumped her sack there and gave him a pair of old shoes, a sack and stick. What did she give him? Because he didn't have any shoes, she gave him a pair of old shoes, a sack, a bori, and a stick. He wondered what work she wanted him to do. She told him that they were rag pickers. They collect things from rubbish bins, paper, plastic and glass. It was sold to Jaggu, a junk dealer. Velu had no option. He decided to work as a rag picker until he found a better job. So beta, go through this summary and you have to do this story. On the question answers of this story we won't do, and the explanation also, but only go through this summary and it will come in your story writing, in your writing skills. Okay.